Awuze umshado wamaZulu ukuthi umnandi kanjani. Ngimkhiphile guys. Ngimkhiphile bantu Tirelo ngidamisa emshadweni wamaZulu. Kubuka lapho singa. So anyway guys, people are not happy for Mayeni no Tirelo guys. So according to you guys, Mayeni needs to hate Tirelo for you guys. I feel like people that are hating on Tirelo, you need to be honest with yourself. Maybe they're in a similar situation or something happened similar to the situation. Yeah, guys, spending about Tirelo for you guys, because no way guys, this is too much. You guys have a serious problem, and if you don't work on yourself, you're gonna end up hating everyone. Sometimes you don't see yourself as a problem. You look at a people's problem and think, oh, when you are better. It's okay to deal with your baby daddy, guys. Just deal with your problems. Trust me, you'll find a solution. So guys, I saw a beautiful comment. Somebody went on to say Umayeni found a sister in the Tirelo. Guys, Umayeni uyamthanda kuTirelo, and there's nothing anyone else can do, and I love that for them, guys. I really love their relationship. I hope Amahle should also have a same relationship no Mayeni, guys. We can see Umakwela no Macele, guys. At the end of the day, they cannot love each other equally. It is highly impossible. So if Mayeni, she's close with Mangwabe, Tobile Mseleko, she's gonna be close no Makwela, or Makwela, she's gonna be close no Macele. Vele is Tembu, guys. It's like this. You can never be close with all of them. It is highly impossible. So anyway guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.